How to get working Etsy promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Etsy promo code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. Once you're in the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Etsy. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 35% off, 20% off, $50 off, and many more. You can hit towards the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code, then click on Redeem at Etsy. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the official website of Etsy, log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in the code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Etsy. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, you can head back. You can also go ahead and check out other website, as other website will also provide you working promo code for Etsy. So this way you can easily get working promo codes for Etsy. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.